bunx up.
All right, guys, we're back. We're back, and I love the dance that we're learning today. Let me put my microphone on. This one I did a couple of weeks ago. Oh no, last week, sorry, with the Begin Sisters. And I have done it actually a year or two ago with Kevin Banier. So did it with him first. Thought I'd do it again with the girls because it is such a fun dance. It has got the most fun energy, and it's not going to take us long to learn. So let's have a quick listen to the music. Go, 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 go. Bum, bum, bum. Nicky, nicky, bum, 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 bum. Yes, so fun. So fun. So we're going to start. Make sure you've got some room. Okay, lots of room. We need to walk forward. We're going to walk forward for 3. So if you've done my other tutorials here on the subscription, you'll know that sometimes it's hard to catch the start of the song. So we have like a quick pause and then we go 1, 2, 3, power pose. And I want it strong, yeah? We want a really sassy walk forward. Boom, 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 bah. Yes. Now, when you're walking, we're going to cross, we want to cross the legs over, yeah? If you can see a gap, yep, a little triangle of space, even better. If you can't, it doesn't matter. But we're boom, 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 bah. Yes. Easy, easy. Let me show you from the back just in case. Starting left. 7, 8, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. We're then going to go chest right, chest to the front, chest to the left, chest to the back. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. So these are called isolations if you haven't done dancing before. And it's exactly what it says. We're just isolating the rib cage, the top half of the body. Yeah, so just give that a little practice. Put your hands on your hips and try and keep this part of your body still. So it's not leaning like this, it's not leaning like this. It's leaning here. It's like a shift. It's a shift in the body weight. See that? Not this, but this. Yeah. So just think about, I just want to move my rib cage back and forward, or I want to move my rib cage front and back. Yeah. So we've hit our power pose. We're going to go right, forward, left, back. Boom, 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 boom. Easy? Yes, easy. Let's try it with the music. So let me play the end of it into the repeat so you can hear how it fits. Wait for it. This is the end bit. Wait. It's pretty quick. It's not really much of a wait. Listen. Go, 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 go. Pretty bombs. Yes. Yep. So when we hear it finish, you can pretty much just pick up your left foot to get started. All right, so try it with me. Wait for it. This is the end of it. Nicky, nicky, boom. Ready? And lift. Yes. Power pose. Chest forward, side, back. Yes. One more time and then we'll go on. Wait for it. And ready and yes. Here. Boom, 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 boom. We go here, here, here. Do, 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 do. Okay, so 3 little jumps to the side. We're in our power pose. We go boom, 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 step together. So that looks like boom, boom, boom. So just 3 little skippy steps. And the knees are going to go out, in, out, in, out, in. Yep. Out, in, out, in, out, in. And the arms, just like we're rowing a boat. Yep. And we're going to tilt the head to the side. So it looks like boom, 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 step here. So strong step to the left, boom, boom. Punch the hand down. Yep, try it with me. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, step together. Yep, let me show you this way. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, step together. Great. Let's add it on. So from the top, 7, 8, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, pose. Right, front, side, back. Hop, 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 step together. Yes. All right, I'm going to start with the music. Here we go. Wait for it. Boom, 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 boom. And 1. Boom. Right, forward, side, back. Right, right, right. Step together. Yes. Again. One more time. Ready? 4. And 1, 2, 3. Pause. Boom, 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 boom. Here, here, here. Step. We go. Boom, boom, boom. I love this next bit. All right, so we've gone step here. I want you to jump it out and hit this pose. Okay, copy me exactly. Yep, because we're gonna boom, boom. It's such a fun move. Okay, so go from the step together. Jump, boom, boom. Okay, so our legs wide, we're in a good lunge, yeah? Squat even, sorry, more of a squat. Arms like this, and you're gonna slam as if you're whipping something. You're gonna come up on your toe, up, rotate like this, so it's like up, up. So butt cheek to the side and lifting the heel. So it looks like bang, bang. Yep, it's a fun move. So jump it out, boom, boom. Yes. So we've gone ba 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 ba. It's maybe not quite as much up here, maybe more here. Boom, ba boom, boom. Yeah, so maybe down a bit lower. I think I was being a bit too formal. So boom, 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 boom. So from there we've gone bang, 2. We're going to go boom, boom. So into the chest here. So with this, you want to think about bringing the chest, the head and chest towards the arms. So we're working opposite. Again, like we're rowing a boat, sort of. So the move looks like boom, 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 boom. So just do this with me over and over till you get how it feels. So we're going away, in, yeah? And step, heel, step, heel. So try it first without the body movement. That's easier. Not too much coordination required, I don't think. But just keep doing that. Now, once that feels comfortable, that's a good arm workout. My arms are already getting sore up here. Then I want you to think about when the arms go out, pulling away from it. So you're creating more space between your arms. See, when I just go normal, like this, that's how it looks. When I pull away, it adds an extra element, an extra dimension. So we've gone jump, bang, in, yeah? So you've done this one. I want you to bring the arms out and bring them into yourself. Yeah? Boom, boom, in. Yes? In first. I'm coming in to meet my arms. Yep. Bang, bang, in. Yes. All right. Let's try it from the top. Ready? Here we go. And left, right, left, boom. Ba, 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 ba. Here, step, tap. Up, bang, bang, in. Yes. All right. Again. Nearly there. Only a short one, but fun. Here we go. And left, right, left, power pose. Ba, 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 ba. Yes, step, up, bang, in, yes. Great job. All right, from there, we've gone ba, 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 do, do. So we're going to start with right. So the hand's going to go up here, down here. So ba, 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 ba. Just try that. Heel twist, heel twist, heel twist, heel twist. Ba, ba. Yep, we just do it once on each side. Yep, ba, ba. So from the back it looks like ba, 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 ba. Yep. So you've done one lot of finger points, two lot of finger points. Then we do the feet the same again, but this time the arms go boom, 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 boom. So it's just here, center, here, center. Yeah. So just practice that one. Boom, 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 boom. So we'll add them on. So we start with right, left point down, right arm, left arm, point, down, right arm, left arm, actually left foot, point up, point down, swivel, swivel. All right. And again, point up, point down, here, here. Dun, 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 here. Let's go a bit faster. Dun, 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 gung, 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 gung. Yes. Right. Drink break. Nearly there. So we've gone do, 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 here, here. Boom, we're going to hit the pose again. Yep, boom. And then from there we go boom, boom. So just arm down across the body and you lift the back leg, the right leg, sorry. So look where the arm goes, doom, doom. Yep, boom, boom. Show this way. So we pick the power pose, doom, doom. Then we're going to go boom, boom. And that's how it ends. Hands like that behind your back. Yep. So ba, 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 ba. So it's just a little jump and down. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. And the head motion, so doom, doom, you're going to go boom, boom. Yep, so as the foot comes up, the chin comes up. So think of that, they're joined. Yeah? Foot up, my chin goes up, down, my chin comes back down. Yep. So 1 and 2 and. Yep. Sort of sassy, a bit sort of sassy at the end there. Let's walk it through from the top before we try it with the music. Here we go. 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Power pose. Boom, 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 boom. Here. 2, 3. Step. Boom, ba boom, boom. Chest, chest. Here, down. Here, swivel. Here, swivel. Boom. Da da da. Boom, 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 boom. That's the timing at the end. So it's pose. Do 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 doom doom goom goom. Right, let me do it again. Let's go slower. I feel like that was too fast for a first full run through. All right, here we go. 7, 8. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pose. Right, forward, side, back. Here, here, here. Step together. Yes. Jump. Boom, ba boom, boom. Chest, chest. Yes. Now fingers. Boom, boom. Rotate the arms. Pose. Do, do, do. Here, 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 here. Yes. Don't fall over. Let's do the second half again. I feel like we just need to get that a bit more solid. So Let's go from here. Ready? 7, 8, go. Boom, up, boom, up. Bring it in, round, in, around. One more time. And jump up, jump up. Bring it in, bring it in. Yes. We go fingers point up, fingers to the ground. Swivel the arms, swivel the arms. Jump out and throw it here. Jump down. Okay, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Helicopter. Okay, let's try from the top. We can do it. Here we go. And boom. Bunx up, bunx up. Boom, 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 boom. And jump. 2, step, tap, up. Bring it in. Finger pointing. Doom. Rotate the arms. Power pose. Wait. Doom, 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 doom. Yes, how'd you go? How'd you go? Was it good? Was it good? Let's do it again. I'll face the front. All right. Listen. Right. And 1, 2, 3, boom. Ja, 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 ja. Jump. 2, step tap. Arms up. Bring it in. Here. Yes. Finger pointing. Rotate. Wait. Goom, 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 goom. Yes, good job, good job. All right. Well, that is the full thing. I think it is such a fun dance. If you're not quite sort of confident yet at 70%, keep practicing. If you're ready for 100%, let's do that now. Let's just have a listen to how fast it is at 70%. It's fast. Yeah. So it's quick, it's quick. But what I always find is that initially after doing it at 70%, the 100 feels like madness. And even when I watch it and I'm like, now that I'm watching it again, after watching it at 70%, they look like they've been sped up. Like it doesn't look possible. But then the more that you do it, it starts to feel slower again. And it's like the music spaces out and the moves space out in your mind and you can see them coming and it's just easier. So at first, I agree, it can be scary, but it just requires a little bit more repetition and then honestly, it starts to feel slower. But this first one's gonna feel crazy, so here we go. We can do it. Get ready. Here we go. And jump, 2, step, up, in, fingers. Whoa. Go, 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 go. How'd you go? Was it crazy? Was it chaos? Probably. That's okay. Here we go. Let's do it again. I'll face the front. Here we go. And yes, yes, yes. So good. So much fun. How long has that taken us? 20 minutes. By the time I edit, probably maybe 18 minutes. So good. You guys are getting faster. Well, I really enjoyed that. I hope if you stuck around for the whole thing, I hope you had fun and you got your heart rate up, which if mine's anything to go by, yes, you did. What a great workout. What a fun way to move, honestly. Now I want you to go and show that to someone in the house, if you feel like it. Or send me a video. That I would love to see. I would love a compilation of everybody who's done the dance to send me their video. I can put it together into one video and share it and everyone could see how fabulous you guys are. Oh, I would love to do that. Maybe one day. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.